In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We'll start from a clean browser, find Notion through Google, log in safely, and create a polished meeting notes page using Notion's built-in template. By the end, you'll have a dependable spot to capture agendas, decisions, and next steps for every meeting, all in one place. Begin by opening Google in your browser and typing Notion into the search bar. In the results, look for the official link titled Notion, the AI workspace that works for you. Click that result to go straight to Notion's homepage. As a quick security check, confirm you see Notion.com in the address bar and the padlock icon, so you know you're on the legitimate site and your account details stay protected. On the homepage, click Log In. Sign in using your usual method, whether that's email, single sign-on, or another option associated with your account. If you belong to more than one workspace, make sure you're in the right one before proceeding, so your notes are created where your team expects them. After a successful sign-in, you'll land in your workspace with the sidebar and main canvas visible. Now create your page. Click Add New. This opens the page creation panel and highlights useful templates. Choose Meeting Notes. This template is an excellent foundation because it includes standard sections like date and time, attendees, agenda topics, key decisions, and follow-ups. Starting from a template keeps your format consistent, speeds up note-taking, and makes information easier to scan during and after the meeting. If you prefer, you can rename the page later to match the meeting title or project. When the template preview appears, click. Continue to confirm your selection and let Notion place it in the current workspace. Notion will generate the page with the recommended structure and any default properties attached. Next, click Done to finalize. Your meeting notes page is now ready. You can immediately start typing your agenda, capture decisions as they happen, or add tasks with due dates using the / command whenever you're ready, without changing any of the setup steps you just completed. That's the entire flow from start to finish. Search for Notion on Google, open the official site, log in, add a new page, pick the meeting notes template, continue, and you're done. If you ever need help, Notion's support services, including the Help Center and community resources, offer clear guides, templates, and troubleshooting tips, and their support team can assist with workspace questions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy running more organized, actionable meetings in Notion.